All the tips and tricks about dogs you need. When a dog is feeling hungry, he might scratch on the food bowl. Dogs who need to eliminate will often scratch at the door. This will help you become the best pet owner possible. A dog cannot easily communicate all of his needs, so you need to keep watching to find out more about them. Groom your dog regularly. A dog requires constant grooming to keep his coat in tip-top condition. Make sure that your dog is completely relaxed before you start the grooming session. This is especially important if he is excitable. Keep the session quite short, 5 to 10 minutes at most, until he is comfortable with the idea of being groomed. Most importantly, be sure to praise him and offer a treat after a successful grooming session. If your dog is very rowdy or easily excitable, experts recommend that you don't bring them along on vacation. Many times the thrill and confusion of a new area filled with strangers is too much for the hyper dog and unpleasant incidents may occur. Find a great kennel to care for your pooch instead. Pet-proof your home before bringing a dog into it, just as you would for a crawling toddler. You need to move anything toxic to a higher shelf and consider the danger that plants may pose if nibbled by your dog. Remember that antifreeze is deadly and that leaving things like pennies or crayons on floors can pose a choking hazard to curious pups. If you are struggling to get your pet to behave during a grooming session, apply positive reinforcement. With your words and your tone, praise your dog for anything little thing that he or she does well during the time you are working with him. Give him a treat when you are finished, so he begins to associate grooming with something good. You should turn your dog's behavior around in no time. Dogs are emotional creatures. However, now that you've watched this, you can understand that dogs are deeper than just body language. Your new knowledge will certainly make for a happy dog. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.